On the third episode of Exploring New Spaces.
Let us know if maybe you are in need of the fire. But we have the aircon as well.
Jacuzzi, yeah.
Guys,
Yeah, but you got jacuzzi.
I'm gonna do a proper house, like a proper tour tomorrow because it's kind of late and we're tired. But this place is so proper. Listen, I'm gonna do a proper tour. Yo, should I do the tour now or what? I think I need to do this tour right now. But it's a bit dark, you guys. But I'm just gonna show you the little that I can and then... Cha! I highly recommend this place, cha. Okay, wait. Let me do a proper house tour. Or proper room tour, okay? And then whatever you guys don't see, I'll definitely do it in the morning because this place is... So that's the door. This is the door. This is how you enter. When you enter, you see this beautiful piece that I absolutely love because it's so minimalistic. Also this, you have the fireplace, which I'm personally gonna ask them to light it up for me. You have a table, you have a couch here, you have wallpaper there, which I absolutely love. And let me just show y'all the vintage modern vibes here. Baby, I got a TV, baby. I absolutely love these curtains because talk to me nice. And can y'all see my room? You see, you have these nice. That is my room, baby. Those are the wallpapers right there. And this is the cupboard that's in the room. They have some extra blankets over there. They have an aircon. They have a mirror. That's me. So I'm guessing the TV is not in my room, but the TV is in there. And yeah, you get these beautiful couches over there. You have two lamps that are absolutely working. Everything here seems like it's working. All right, so you can see that my room is a bit spacious. And then you got the shower. One thing you guys know about me, I absolutely love my shower. It's great and wide. Let me just do this. There's the bath, there's the shower, and here as the basin, you have a beautiful mirror over there, and you have some, I think these are the sanitizer stuff, and then you have the toilet, and that's me again. So it's very spacious. Yeah, and that's about it. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram so that you guys can get the full experience of this whole... Well, yeah, just make sure you follow me on my Instagram to see the pictures and videos and stuff. Because by the time I drop this video, y'all would have missed my stories. But I hope for your sake that you are following me on my Instagram. So now we're just gonna go and chill with other kids. I wanted to take a shower, but I'm not trying to be antisocial. So let's get with it. Good morning, guys. Can you hear how peaceful it is here? I wanted to catch the sunrise, but generally speaking, I wasn't sure what time it was because I kept on waking up in the morning. But good morning. I'm about to get ready, so let's go. Hey guys, so I'm done getting ready. So right now I'm about to go out for breakfast. There's a lot of activities lined up. Super excited, and I cannot wait to take you guys along
with me, of course. So the ideal breakfast that they told us about is a picnic breakfast, but apparently it gets a little bit foggy here. But if you can see outside, the weather is perfectly fine. So I do hope they keep that idea picnic breakfast, because that will be really, really nice and aesthetically pleasing for Instagram. You know, we always gotta snap, right? So I'm super excited for today. Cannot wait. This place is absolutely beautiful, you guys. It's really romantic. There's no Wi-Fi though in your bedrooms, and there's no signal. So if you want to bring your partner here, or even yourself, just to relax and rewind, is that the word? I don't know, but recharge, definitely this is the place I highly recommend. I felt like for a moment I was going crazy without the Wi-Fi and the signal, but I got to edit some of my work and then I just slept. So yeah, let's get this day started. Something like this was when I was back in Cape Town, and it actually was not that bad. Oh god, it's a bit windy. Hi Vasani, are you ready to have breakfast? Which one is? Hey? No, I mean like to the actual main. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Okay, since I don't know how to pop bottles, no, do it for me. Just I don't know how to pop bottles, so with Tiny here is going to do it for me, because I suck at this. I genuinely don't. But how do? And plus, can I have my nala? So pop the bottle. Almost. Throats are open. Not bad. Not too bad. It's all good. Guys, I look like those, rich wives, rich aunties living her best life. Sweetie. Cheers to that. Okay, so now we have to go for strawberry picking. Super excited for that. So let's go. So we have arrived at the strawberry picking. By the way, you guys, this is a black-owned
And I'm still here.
land, and this is Queen.
Don't you just love to see when a black person is winning?
You get what I'm trying to say. So
Honey,
please make sure that you come and
under
support.
40s.
Okusha. So they just gave us these plastic containers. We're gonna be using them to strawberry pick, and I'm just gonna take a video of the person that's going to be explaining everything so that you guys get to learn, but most importantly you get to come here and actually experience it for yourself. Are you guys ready?
Let's go.
Okay, so far I have like 2 boxes kind of full. Yeah, it's very exciting and very calming actually, so let's get more. You need to like really find those hidden strawberries, right? Like a hidden treasure. That's the secret.
We live for the hidden.
Just like that. So after this we are going to jet skiing. Super excited. Like I said, this is something you can come for yourself, with your friends, with your partner. For yourself, with your friends, for your partner. You get to get like 3 containers and you take them home. It's amazing.
Super cool.
Did I just get inside water? Wow. Alright, that's about it guys. Catch me at the jet skiing. Okay, so we just arrived at the jet skiing situation, y'all. First of all, I cannot even swim. Okay, let's start there. But we gotta do this. It looks like a lot of fun. I have like a bikini top on. Get it, hey, you pop in the jet ski, king it, hey, you pop in the jet ski, I ain't jet king it, again. Tamayang, hey guys, iya papi, look at that. Hey, now I can't see, but I'm going because I like things. I'm going jet skiing in Limpopo, jet skiing.
After the big cyclone they had in Mozambique and the 300 millimeters of rain, which we had here in the catchment area of the dam. The dam is full for the first time since December 2014. Woo! We came out of 7 years of drought, and at the beginning of the rain season there was just a small puddle of water right there at the end of the dam wall. We have decided to make an investment into some leisure activities because it's a lot of fun with the water sport that we offer in the summer. It's still half summer now,
So I'm about to go on the okay, so let me on the jet ski. This is choking. We're out here living life, chopping life. Hold me. Hold me.
Are you doing it alone?
Daruesa.
That moment everywhere.
We did it, Joe! We did it!
Yeah, no way. They won a man.
Shit. Let's get us away. Oh my god. Wee! 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 I think at some point some saliva just got out. Some saliva literally just came out. You see that? I'm literally shaking. My lashes are but oh my god, my lashes. Ah! Guys, no, my lashes are about to come out. Whoa. That's how fast he was going. Oh god.
Ke re basadi ba if ba na le manala a matrelele ba tlo thaba selo zoela ke mga thupu ela ya kwa mona ke mga ba sumelana
It was nice knowing you, ne? It was nice knowing you guys.
yeah.
We love you. It was nice being with you.
Am I not supposed to send that thing your next of kin?
No. Don't worry about it.
Of kin, guys!
Don't worry about it. No, gaan bring gaan.
Please get me out of this thing. I am not comfortable. Get me out of here. I may die. No, what I'm talking about. Hey, get me out of this thing.
Guys, where's the photographers? Hey, Twarella. She might enjoy it. Are you enjoying it now? Are you enjoying it now? Are you not enjoying it? Sweetheart, back in the
Let me tell y'all something, okay? One thing I do not like is people that don't listen to me. I say, get me off truth. Get me off the deck. Nobody took this seriously. Now I'm wait. Okay, wait. It's windy. Listen, this thing is not for the faint-hearted, guys. If you like those type of things, come here. I highly recommend it for you. I, on the other hand, I should have never pop-out and decided to be on the thing. Chief, I should have gotten off. Hey? Anyway, so now we're leaving. I think the first thing I'm going to do when I get there is just take a shower. Because my lashes are literally 5 to getting off. Can you see this one? My lashes are 5 to getting off my face right now. Catch you on the next episode to be continued.